All right, so what's up? It's Mike, and I wanted to make a quick video. Of course, the name of my channel is called Flipping Mobile Homes. Now, true enough, a lot of you have watched my videos, and I've made some cool stuff, and I like doing stuff like that, but I also make money. And the focus of my channel is to teach people how to invest in mobile homes and be able to make money off of them like I do. I know a lot of people don't think about mobile homes as a way to, get ahead in life, but I mean, it's great money. And I wanted to talk about something like this. So recently, I want to say about yesterday, I'm always looking for mobile homes to buy, used mobile homes to buy. Came across a mobile home. It was a 2001 mobile home. Kind of a fixer-upper, needed some stuff in there to be done, like, a couple of panels and stuff like that needed to be repaired, a couple of soft spots or something in the floor. Not a whole lot of stuff, and if you're handy, you can do it yourself or you can hire somebody else to do it. But I wanted to show you how easy it is to actually make some money when you got your stuff set up just like I do. So this woman is selling this home. She originally had it listed for $5,000, and then she recently dropped the price down to $4,000 after telling me that the home was pending. And then she recently messaged me saying that, whoever it was that she had pending for the house, they just kind of fell out of contact. They went incommunicado. So what this tells me is, number one, when I've got a buyer who had the home listed for $5,000 and then they dropped it down to $4,000, that tells me that this person is what I would like to call a motivated seller. This is somebody who's got to have that home sold and they need it gone yesterday and they want the money in their pocket. This puts me in a perfect position to make negotiations, right? Number one, why'd you drop the price of the home so quick? Obviously, nobody else is biting on your deal. Number two, because I'm in the position to buy a home, this gives me all the power in the conversation. So there's a training that I have that teaches you how to test your market and how to build up your buyers list very quickly. And you can do this for absolutely free. Probably takes about 10, 15 minutes of your time, but the results are going to allow you to make money. So what I would do is I'm going to go out to that buyer. I'm going to take a look at the place. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to negotiate a deal with her to where I have the ability to be able to sell that home before buying it. I'm going to help them get rid of that home because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about for the seller. And I'm the person who's going to be able to get that done. So let's say with a home that's a 2001, it just turned 2021. That home is 20 years old now, which is really good. It's a single wide, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and those tend to go very quickly. So I know as a seller, I can easily get 10 grand for that home or better. I could probably get about 15 for that home. So my goal is to go out there, talk to this seller, acquire the home for as low as possible. All right, just because they're asking $4,000 for the house does not mean that that's what it costs. I'm gonna go out there, I'm gonna hit them with the proposition, try to get it down to like 3, and then I'll go on ahead and put that home on the market for, let's say I go on ahead and mark it up to about 8, 10, 15 grand. And the people on my buyers list have already told me what they have to be able to put down on a home. And I'm gonna show you some pictures of that. So what I would do is let them make the down payment to me, purchase the home, and then allow them to finance the rest of it. And the way I handle my financing deals are, I actually have an online payment portal system that no matter where this home is, I sell mobile homes in a tri-state area, not all the tri-state, but within a reasonable amount of time or distance away from where I live at so that I can manage it. But I'm not gonna go around to each home that I own and then have people, just pay me on the spot and then write them a receipt. They can pay by debit card or electronic check online whenever that time comes each month. And this is a great way for you, even right now, just doing a free exercise that I'm gonna give you a link to down in the description and a PDF that you can download. You can take a free lesson and you can learn how to do it yourself. And this is a great way for you to be able to make a quick, 5 or 10 grand based off of somebody else's money and using the tools and the tactics that I can show you. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. And like I said, I'm going to tag that video that you need to go on ahead and watch it in the description down below. You can follow the link to my website, put in your email address, and then get the free information that I've put together for you. And let's start making some money together, man. This is Flipping Mobile Homes. It's time for you to start winning, because if the events of 2020 have shown us anything, is that no help is coming from anywhere. We cannot rely on politicians to put together stimulus checks and stuff to keep us and our family and our loved ones afloat. But this is a good way for you to go on ahead and get started and get into the field of buying real estate and selling it and making yourself some sustainable income that's coming in all the time. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.